We are looking here at this fairly big cold front that hit the southwestern parts of the country around midday, pushing in quite a lot of cloud and introducing rainy weather into much of the Western Cape. We also have quite a lot of cloud ahead of the cold front over much of the Southern Cape as well as the Eastern Cape. Mostly clear skies have persisted across the rest of South Africa. Now, here's what you can expect for your Friday evening. It's going to stay cloudy across much of the Western Cape with rain showers expected over much of the province. The showers could also spill into the southern areas of the Northern Cape. And we are going to see the cold front introducing morning rain showers over parts of the Eastern Cape, where the showers are going to be very isolated. It will be mostly fine as we get into Saturday across the rest of South Africa. Then for the rest of your Saturday, wet weather will continue for the western parts of the Western Cape. We could also see quite a bit of cloud over the southern areas of the Northern Cape. For the rest of South Africa, cloud-free skies are expected. It's going to be mild to warm in most areas, rather hot, however, as we go towards the easternmost parts of KwaZulu-Natal as well as over the Mpumalanga and Limpopo Lowveld areas. Mostly fine Saturday night is forecast for the rest of the country, although we could continue to see a bit of rain over the western areas of the Western Cape. Now, tonight we are going to stay with wet weather over much of the Western Cape with up to a 60% chance of showers, where you see the dark shade of blue over the western areas of the province, and up to a 40% chance of rain is forecast for the rest of the province as well as the western sections of the Eastern Cape. So Cape Town is going to stay cloudy and wet on Saturday with up to a 60% chance of a rainfall, with daytime temperatures peaking at just around 16 degrees. We are expecting light to moderate winds tonight across much of South Africa, moderate westerlies along much of the south coast. Then as we go through Saturday, fresh winds can be expected in the afternoon for the southern interior as well as over parts of the eastern Highveld. And as the second cold front gets closer to our shores, we are going to have mostly 30 km/h northwesterlies around the Cape Peninsula. Now, here's a look at overnight temperatures across South Africa. It's going to stay chilly for much of the interior, 1 below freezing for the minimum in Bethlehem, 1 for the minimum in Bloemfontein, a bit warmer for Sutherland with a low temperature of around 4 degrees. Cape Town would drop to 13 degrees on Saturday morning, a minimum of 8 for Port Elizabeth. It's also going to be chilly for the KZN coastal areas and also over the northeastern sections, where Johannesburg and Mahikeng will see minimums of around 5 degrees. A low temperature of 6 is forecast for Polokwane. Then on Saturday afternoon, it's going to stay chilly for the southwestern areas, Sutherland peaking at just around 12 degrees, 17 for the mild to warm for the northern and eastern sections. Johannesburg peaking at around 22 degrees, 24 for Pretoria and around Polokwane. Hot as we go towards Mbombela, peaking at around 29 degrees. A high of 26 is forecast for Richards Bay. A little bit cooler for Durban, Pietermaritzburg and Ladysmith, all peaking at around 25 degrees. Highs in the lower 20s are forecast for East London, Bishop and Graafrenet, all peaking at around 21. On Sunday, it's going to be cloudy and pretty wet for the western parts of the country. Cape Town managing a high of just 14, 11 for Sutherland and 13 in Springbok. Mostly sunny skies are forecast for the rest of South Africa. Then on Monday, it gets colder for Cape Town and much of western South Africa, with light snowfalls expected over the western mountains of South Africa and also around Sutherland, where a high of just 3 degrees is expected. That's all we have time for. Back to you.